getting money for investment is also a very time-consuming process. So as a founder, you have to decide how much time do you want to be able to give, because you still have to develop your technology, you still have to sell, and there's always the chicken and the egg problem, which is, you got to sell enough and you got to have enough customers before you go to the investor. What benefited me was actually doing some of the accelerator programs, working with different groups who essentially offered lessons on, how would you pitch to an investor, how to create a pitch deck, how to make sure you address your value story, what are the different aspects that are needed that an investor is looking for. So it was very important to understand and put yourself in the shoes of the investor, saying, why would I put in X amount of million in your company? And that learning, frankly speaking, doesn't come on day one. And it doesn't come, on day 365 either. It takes a lot of calls and a lot of meetings and a lot of pitching.